Hi, I'm Shea Rosen. I'm the Director of Product Development for Mezzetta in beautiful American Canyon, California. We pack a variety of peppers from California, olives from the Mediterranean, pasta sauces, pestos, and pickled vegetables. California agriculture is very fascinating to me. When I go to visit the farms, not only am I visiting pepper orchards, I'm also seeing the wide variety of produce grown here. On my last visit, I saw pistachios, I saw almonds, I saw garlic. It's just a fascinating thing to see, just the breadth of produce that is grown here. I chose to be a food technologist because probably my grandmother, she was a caterer, always cooking at home, cooking for holidays. So I love food and I love eating, and we do a lot of good eating here. When you're eating a pickled pepper, not only is the flavor, but the texture is very important, and that's all about the eating experience. So what's important is that the peppers are crunchy. And the values that are taught to us or reflected to us from Jeff Mezzetta is that crunchy isn't good enough. It has to be crunchy. That means that the pepper is at its highest quality. California agriculture is important to us because it directly relates to the quality of our products. The peppers are grown here in California, we're here in California, and we're able to receive our peppers the same day that they're picked or within 24 hours. And that directly relates to the quality of our product.